In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no posts available problem on Facebook, so you can get your news feed working normally again. When you open Facebook and you see a blank feed or a message saying there are no posts available, it usually means something is blocking the app from loading fresh content. We're going to walk through a series of checks and quick fixes, starting from the simplest and moving to the slightly more advanced. Follow along step by step and try each solution in order. First, close the Facebook app completely and reopen it. On most phones, that means opening your recent apps view, swiping Facebook away to fully close it, then tapping the icon again to relaunch it. This refresh alone can sometimes fix temporary glitches that stop posts from loading. Next, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data, and that other apps can load content. Try opening a browser and loading any website. If it's slow or not loading, toggle airplane mode on and off, or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Facebook relies on a stable connection, and a weak signal often shows up as an empty feed. If your connection is fine, but you still see no posts, log out of your Facebook account and log back in. In the app, go to the menu, scroll down, tap Log Out, then sign in again. This refreshes your session and can clear minor account-related issues that affect the news feed. Now, make sure your Facebook app is up to date. Go to your device's App Store, search for Facebook, and check if there's an update button. If there is, install the latest version. Outdated versions can have bugs or compatibility problems that cause posts not to load properly. If the problem continues, clear the app's cache. On Android, go to your phone's settings, then Apps, find Facebook, tap on Storage, and choose Clear Cache. Don't tap Clear Data unless you're comfortable signing in again and reconfiguring settings. On iOS, you may need to offload or reinstall the app to achieve a similar effect. If nothing has worked so far, try uninstalling and reinstalling Facebook. Remove the app, restart your phone, then download it again from the official App Store and sign back in. This gives you a clean installation, which often resolves stubborn issues. If after all these steps your feed is still blank, the issue may be on Facebook's side. In that case, wait a while and try again later, or check online to see if others are reporting a Facebook outage.